What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank Personal Loan. Pag-uusapan natin yung Union Bank Personal Loan features at saka yung loanable amount. Magkano nga ba yung pwede nating ma-loan sa Union Bank Personal Loan? At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin yung sample computation or yung buwanang hulog ninyo sa personal loan sa Union Bank. And also, let's talk about eligibility at saka yung requirements, kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga requirements and yung fees and charges ng Union Bank Personal Loan. Kasi alam nyo naman, pag nag-file tayo ng personal loan sa bangko, may sinasabing processing fees, ganyan. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po. So ayan, nakikita nyo guys, Union Bank Personal Loan. Bring your plans to life with Union Bank Personal Loan. Union Bank Personal Loan Features. So pag-uusapan natin yung features ng personal loan ni Union Bank. Approval in as fast as 5 minutes. So ibig sabihin guys, 5 minutes lang pwede na kayo agad ma-approve kapag na-provide nyo yung required documents na hinahanap nila. High loan amount of up to 2 million pesos without any collateral or guarantor. O, di ba? Maganda yung features niya guys. It's because 2 million pesos without any collateral or guarantor. Basta na-provide niyo yung required documents. Flexible repayment terms of up to 1 to 5 years. O, di ba? Medyo mahaba-haba siya guys kasi 12 to 60 months yung repayment months niya. Ibig sabihin, medyo light lang yung magiging burden sa loan ninyo kasi 5 years. Then, nandito tayo ngayon guys, yung sample computation sa monthly amortization. Personal loan repayment fee table. Financing planning is crucial to ensure that you face no monetary challenges while paying your loan EMI each month. Before applying for a Union Bank personal loan, you can estimate your monthly repayments using our personal loan repayment calculator. So, eto dito yung mga example guys, 100,000 hanggang 2 million yung nakalagay dito. Nandito yung example sa 100,000. Sa 100,000 guys, loan term. So, pag sinabing loan term, kung gaano katagal ninyo babayaran yung loan, yung personal loan ninyo sa Union Bank. 60 months is 3,047.56 per month. For 60 months nyong babayaran yun. 48 months, 3,422.56. 36 months, 4,077.16. 24 months, 5,432.95. 12 months, 9,596.86. Yun yung sample sa 100,000 guys. So, nandito marami pa. I-skip lang natin guys kasi matatagalan tayo. Then, nandito may notes sila sa baba. Initial interest will be charged on the first statement of account issued by the following the approval of your Union Bank personal loan. So, ibig sabihin, yung initial interest nyo guys is i-charge na siya sa unang statement of account kasunod ng pagka-approve ng loan niyo. Ibig sabihin, magtataka kayo kasi mas malaki yung magiging initial payment nyo kasi yung initial interest guys, masasama siya. Kaya huwag kayong magtaka. The initial interest is computed based on the actual number of days from the approval date to the statement date. The initial interest is calculated by multiplying the approved loan amount, the applicable monthly effective interest rate, and the number of days from the approval date to the first statement date. Sana na-gets nyo guys? Wait lang. Paano ko ba i-explain? Para mas maintindihan nyo guys, nakalagay dito to illustrate for a loan amount of 200,000 pesos with an ACR. When we say ACR guys is annual contractual rate of 26.9% with a corresponding EIR of 31.22% availed on March 24 with a statement cycle date of April 12. An initial interest will be charged with an amount of 2,839.44 plus fixed charges of 1,750 and documentary stamp tax of 1,500 as necessary. These are estimated amortizations based on average annual contractual rate ACR of 26.9. Know more about ACR on our fees and charges page. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung ACR. So, move on muna tayo ngayon guys sa Union Bank Personal Loan Eligibility and Requirements. Eligibility niya guys is you are at least 21 to 65 years old, you are a Filipino resident or a local resident foreigner with a valid Philippine billing address. You have a taxpayer's identification number or yung TIN. you are a principal credit card holder, so dapat may credit card kayo guys ng other banks. Principal dapat yun. Have a minimum gross annual income of Philippine peso 250,000. So yun yung sa eligibility guys. So move on tayo ngayon guys sa requirements. Please submit the following. One of the valid government-issued ID with photo and signature. Kailangan yung valid ID guys, of course, as is yun. So for employed, latest 1-month payslip issued within the last 2 months. Note, if you receive 2 or more payslips in a month, please submit all of them. So halimbawa kasi 'di ba, parang 15 days sumasahod tayo, so dapat 4 yung maisasubmit nyo guys kasi 2 months yung hinahanap dito. Certificate of employment with salary issued within the last 2 months or latest ITR with BIR stamp. Note, ITR that was issued in 2020 will only be accepted until June 30, 2022. So ibig sabihin, yung mga ITR guys na in-issue ng 2020, hindi na siya accepted hanggang June 30, 2022. So dapat yung bago na. For self-employed, latest income tax return of your business from 1701 all pages and latest audited financial statements of the business with independent auditor's report and balance sheets and tax receipt with bank stamp all pages. Duly accomplished, application form fill out online. Download form, so i-download nyo pa yung form. Please submit a photocopy of either of the following. So, isa lang yung hinahanap dito. Valid passport or ACR and any of the following proof of local residency. Emigrant Certificate of Residency, ICR. B, ACR I-card with visa status permanent. Otherwise, should be valid for more than 1 year. Visa and work permit, alien employment permit with validity for more than 1 year. Special resident investors, special resident retirement visa. For top 2,000 companies, employment contract or letter from company HR printed on company letterhead with name, position, and confirmation of term. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon yung fees and charges. So nandito na guys yung ACR na sinasabi, yung annual contractual rate. The annual contractual rate is the interest that will be charged on the loan based on a 360-day period computed on a monthly basis wherein each month consists of 30 days. There is an initial interest that is computed based on the actual number of days from the approval date of my loan transaction to my first statement date after the aid approval date. It will be charged on the first statement and statement of account issued following the approval date. So, yun nga sinabi kanina, magre-reflect yun sa unang statement of account from the date of approval ng loan ninyo. Medyo malaki yung initial payment ninyo, guys. Exact ACR will be indicated in the disclosure statement. So, nandun makikita nyo yung pinaka-exact ACR talaga, guys. Kasi nandito, sample lang to. So, kapag nag-loan kayo, nandun yung exact ACR. Disbursement fee, 1,750 for each disbursement. So, ibig sabihin, yung sinasabing disbursement fee, yung pag-credit ng loan ninyo, may 1,750 yun, kahit magkano yun. Documentary stamp tax, 1.50 for every 200 pesos of the amount. So, ibig sabihin, sa 200,000, divide by 100 times 1. Sa 200,000, divide by 200 equals 1,000 times 1.50. Ibig sabihin, 2,500 sa 200,000. 2,500 din yung magiging stamp tax niya, documentary stamp tax. So next is effective interest rate. In accordance with the Philippine Accounting Standards, definition effective interest rate, EIR, is the rate that exactly discounts estimated future cash flows through the life of the loan to the net amount of loan proceeds. BSP Circular Number 730, Section 2011. The EIR, which includes the monthly interest, disbursement fee, and documentary stamp tax, is computed at 31.98% using a sample loan amount of 200,000 at 36 months and 26.9% ACR or annual contractual rate. Exact EIR will be indicated in the disclosure statement. Other fees, closure handling fee. So, ibig sabihin ng closure handling fee, guys, kung gusto nyo nang i-terminate yung loan ninyo, gusto nyo nang bayaran lahat, nandito yung magiging payment nyo, guys, yung magiging closure handling fee na tinatawag, 4% of the unbilled principal component of the loan that is prepaid. So, ibig sabihin, kung magkano yung remaining balance ninyo, guys, times 4%, yung magiging result nun, i-add yun sa kung magkano pa yung hindi nyo nabayaran. Ganun siya. Halimbawa, 200,000, yung remaining loan ninyo, 200,000 times 4%. Ganon siya. Tapos yung result, i-add yung 200,000 para malaman kung magkano yung babayaran nyo. Return check fee, 1,500 pesos will be charged for every check that is returned or that bounces due to insufficiency of funds, uncollected deposits, stop payment order, alteration, or erasure, among others. Monthly late charge, 500 pesos or 6% of the overdue amount, whichever is higher. So, ibig sabihin, 500 pesos guys as is yun. Halimbawa, lumagpas, halimbawa magkano yung kailangan nyo bayaran, tapos times 6%, kung lumagpas ng 500, yun yung babayaran nyo. Pero kung hindi umabot ng 500, 500 yung babayaran nyo. Kasi nakalagay dito, whichever is higher. Please see the Union Bank Personal Loan Terms and Conditions. Nandito yung terms and conditions, guys. Hindi ko na siya babasahin kasi medyo tatagalan tayo. Monthly interest rate. Monthly interest charge or interest charge means the interest computed using the monthly revolving interest of 2.42%. Monthly interest rate. So, 2.42% guys yung monthly interest ni Union Bank Personal Loan. Applied on any or all of the following. 1. On any unpaid fees and charges. And 2. On the total amount due when the Union Bank Personal Loan is default at 60 days past due. So kapag 60 days past due na guys, yun, papatungan ng 2.42%. In which case, the total amount due will include any unpaid fees and charges, the past due monthly principal state installment amounts, and the remaining principal balance. So medyo lalaki na siya guys. Such as interest shall be compounded monthly and will be continue to be charged until full payment of total amount due plus accrued interest. So, medyo malaki guys kapag nagkaroon kayo ng default payments. Kaya, maging aware kayo dun. Attorney's fees and other judicial expenses. So, kapag hindi nyo nabayaran, yun, may attorney's fees and other judicial expenses naman. Wag naman sana umabot sa ganon. In case of default in payment, in addition to late and interest charges, the cost of collection and or attorney's fees and the litigation and judicial expenses as applicable. So, yun. Kaya, kapag nag-loan kayo guys, siguraduhin nyo lang na nababayaran nyo siya on time kasi mahirap na. All loans are subject to credit standards, terms, and conditions. So, yun lamang guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Yun lamang po. Bye-bye!